Alright, so this is the part that flips this way. Like once you cut this, and this is the part that flips this way. Normally you need to like stitch along here. You need to like stitch all the way along here. With these don't matter as much, and these will be visible, so you don't need to stitch here, but you can, and you take it out or you do whatever you want with it. These need to be like really super tight stitches, like right on this line, and just crank that thing all the way down to like 1 or even lesser, because you need something to keep this from tearing. And right at these corners, you need to have like really tight, strong stitches, really well placed in these corners, at all the corners. And then there's a couple different ways you can do it, and depending on whether you're going to stitch it first and then cut it, or cut it and then stitch it.
That's why in this YouTube video it says to use interfacing so that you don't have to trip off of when you snip the edges, like that diagonal line.
Yeah, oh yeah. I didn't tell you, but this whole thing should be done in interfacing. Like this whole thing should be done in interfacing.
Yeah.
I don't see any interfacing here though.
I'm about to put interfacing just for the hell of it.
Yeah. I mean, it's much easier if you use interfacing.
Yeah. That should be
like on your fabric right here, you should have like a rectangle with interfacing.
So the pocket should be like this.
I'm trying to think. Would you?
I've done a double wall pocket. They're hella easy. I don't know why I was tripping. I didn't think it was the same thing. Like this video I'm watching, I thought I'm over here thinking that this is the pocket, that this is what it should look like.
That's the flap, right?
Yeah, but
like
that's just the inside of it. That's not the actual pocket.
Flap you just insert. The flap is just made and inserted.
Wait, put it back.
The flap means like.
Oh yeah, yeah, exactly. That's what it looks like. Terrible. Yeah. Okay. Tripping.
I would recommend like copying me for things like this. Like.
So they see it like this.
I just want a general idea. I'm gonna still use the YouTube video. Cause remember, she did draw the 3 lines and the rectangles.